Hi everybody! Today I'm gonna introduce the feature of Creality filament system. The CFS is a smart materials management system that can store filaments and automatically feed them into the printer. This allows for multicolor printing and automatic replacement of materials. The CFS has over multi-material detection sensors for provide feedback on the printing status, such as issue with feeding or unloading filaments, jams in the material tray, and the tangled filament. Let's take a look at the construction of the CFS. We can see that there is a space for drying agents, which helps keep the filament dry. We thought about how users spend at least 2/3 of their time not printing, so it is really important to have a way to keep the material dry when it is not in use. The CFS can automatically detect RFID-enabled filaments. Just place the filament inside, and it will recognize the type and color on the control panel. Plus, the side of the machine has an RFID detection feature, so you can simply tap it to get information about the material. During printing, the CFS automatically refills and unloads materials for multicolor printing, so there is no need for manual operation. Users can truly free their hands. Plus, there is a great bonus. The machine can connect to up to 4 CFS units, allowing for printing with a maximum of 16 colors. When connecting to the CFS to the K2 Plus, there is no need for extra power. Just connect it with the 485 cable. This cable serves as both the data and the power line. With the same cable, you can also easily connect the second of CFS units. That is the overview of Creality filament system features and operation. We invite everyone come to check it out and make a purchase.